is how we export our produce to other countries. You see me? Yeah, man. This is how we produce we send our produce like yam, banana, and all the little ground produce thing them. You see me? Yeah, man. Pan Speng TV, I get it all inclusive, man. You see me? How them pack it. You see me? How them wash it, how them dip it. I'm give you all of the details about it, brother. You see me? Because you don't know you have to put it in a certain amount of chemical and thing. You see me? You have a measure for that and thing. You see me? You measure them up right. You know, so when them go up on the ship and whatever, them not spoil and all them things. You see me? Yeah, man. So, it's a bag of thing we do with this still. We send we all dasheen, pumpkin, you see me? And all them things there. Yam, sweet yam, brown leaf, you see me? White yam, you see me? That's what we call sweet yam. White yam, what we call sweet yam. You see me? Nigger yam, you see me? We send we a whole lot of things, brother. You see me? At our exporting place. You see it? Yeah, man. You can stay tuned still, you know. If you see how the container load, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. How the container load and thing. Yeah, so about a thing we have to show people them and talk about and thing. You see, pray. Yeah, man. So, on Spank TV, remember, you know, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know. You see me? Yeah, man.